Are you looking for the best trimmers for men and women? Trimmers and multi-grooming kits have evolved from basic nose hair snippers to all-in-one grooming ecosystems that handle facial hair, head hair, body hair, and even intimate areas. For many consumers, the decision hinges on versatility, maintenance needs, battery life, and skin friendliness. In this review, I test 5 popular all-in-one or
Products number 1. Philips Norelco All-in-One. Overview. The MG3919/50 represents an entry-level all-in-one approach with 13 pieces and 9 length settings, 0.5 mm to 16 mm. It emphasizes skin-friendly blades with rounded tips, self-sharpening blades that require no oil, and a 60-minute runtime. It's designed for beard, eyebrows, face, hair, neck, nose, and sideburns, all in a compact package. The inclusion of a USB-A charging cable, no wall adapter, keeps things simple and cost-effective, which aligns with its budget positioning. Performance and user experience. In daily use, the MG3919/50 delivers predictable trim quality with a focus on skin comfort, aided by self-sharpening blades that do not require oiling. The 60-minute runtime suits light to moderate grooming sessions, though the absence of a wall adapter means charging setups may feel a tad inconvenient for some users, who prefer a complete charging brick. The rinsable blades and combs simplify cleaning, and the ergonomic handle helps control, especially for beginners. However, the build feels more utilitarian than premium, and with 9 length settings, the range is broad, but the increments are relatively coarse for
Product number 2. U-Free Beard Trimmer for Men. Overview. The U-Free kit promotes versatility with 6 trimmer heads and 5 guide combs, 3, 6, 9, 12 mm, plus adjustable sideburns. It's designed for comprehensive body and facial grooming, including nose and groin areas, with IPX waterproofing for wet or dry use, and a 90-minute runtime after a 1.5-hour charge. The kit targets both men and women, broadening its appeal beyond a strictly male-focused grooming tool. Performance and user experience. The stainless steel blades and 360-degree skin-friendly edge promote smooth trimming with minimal pulling. The waterproof design is a practical advantage for shower use, and the detachable blade plus included brush simplify maintenance. The LED power indicator and dual-speed motor are helpful for managing battery life and adapting to different hair types. On the downside, the abundance of attachments can complicate storage, and some users may find the power draw and weight 0.64.
Product number 3. Norelco Philips Multi-Groom. Overview. The MG3770/40 is a 15-piece all-in-one kit designed to cover head, beard, face, nose, ears, and more. It uses self-sharpening blades that require no oiling and provides 9 length settings with a powerful battery rated for up to 60 minutes of use. A key differentiator is the 15-piece configuration that includes multiple guards and no need for blade oil, emphasizing low-maintenance operation. Performance and user experience. The MG3770/40's broad accessory set supports nuanced grooming, from precise beard shaping to under-nose detailing. The water rinse compatibility makes cleanup straightforward, and the absence of blade oil simplifies long-term maintenance. However, the model's plastic construction may feel less premium compared to higher-end kits, and the 9 length steps may not satisfy users seeking very fine adjustments. The grease residue noted in packaging is a typical pre-lubricant coating that eventually fades with use. Not a functional concern, but worth noting for first-time users.
Product number 4. SHPAV 1800 Beard Trimmer Overview. The SHPAV GK1800 positions itself as a professional-grade, all-in-one grooming solution with 6 trimmer heads, 4 guide combs, 3, 6, 9, 12 mm, and an adjustable sideburn comb. It emphasizes a turbo speed option, IPX6 waterproofing, an LED display with a safety lock, and a 90-minute runtime on a 1.5-hour charge. The kit aims to deliver salon-like versatility at a consumer-friendly price. Performance and user experience.
The turbo speed and high torque motor deliver robust trimming across hair types with the design focus on heat management via low-friction technology. The LED display and safety lock enhance usability and travel safety, while IPX6 waterproofing supports use in the shower and easy rinsing. The main trade-offs include its higher price point within this set and potential overcapacity for users who only need basic trimming. The inclusion of multiple
Product number 5. Philips Norelco Multigroom. Overview. The MG5910/49 is an 18-piece grooming kit that emphasizes a longer runtime, up to 3 hours, and titanium-coated, self-sharpening blades that require no oil. It includes an extra-wide body hair trimmer, adjustable 3 to 7 mm body comb, and multiple guards for face, head, and body, making it a strong candidate for users who want a single device for full body grooming. Performance and user experience. The 3-hour battery life stands out in this cohort, enabling longer grooming sessions without frequent recharging. The titanium-coated blades and wide-body trimmer improve efficiency on larger areas, such as chest and body grooming. Cleaning is straightforward with detachable blades and guards. While the kit is feature-rich, its weight, 12.06 ounces, and bulk may be less comfortable for precise facial detailing or travel compared to lighter, more compact models.